This lawsuit turns against the Greek state, the region of Attica, and the municipality of Marathonas, claiming that there were serious omissions on their part, from their part on the day of the mega fire. According to the information we have, the victim of this family was a 70-year-old man that tried to escape the flames with his cart, joined by a neighbor which died as well in the fire, but they just didn't have enough time to do that. This is the second legal action that this specific family is taking, and their case is included in the ongoing investigation by the prosecutor that is searching the causes of the fire. Now, in Mati and in Neos Voutzas, a few months after the fire that changed their lives forever, a lot of people seem frustrated as they say they have heard a lot of promises, but they haven't seen enough actions, as you will be able to see in the video that we have prepared. The 23rd of July 2018 marked the lives of many people in Greece. The memories and the images of the fire will be haunting thousands for many years, especially those who went through this nightmare and survived. The mega fire swept through Neos Voutzas and Mati and left behind only destruction and grief. Officially 99 died and hundreds were wounded. Kylie Agnostu and her son came from Dubai, where they were living permanently, to spend the holidays in Mati. They both got away from the flames literally last minute. I saw from the window that the flames were passing by our house. We got out panicked and we were running through very thick smoke. We couldn't see anything. What I remember next is that we were in the rocks and we were all shouting, crying. Some were jumping in the sea, despite the big rocks that were there. Some were describing how they got out. There were children there. We were all in a really bad situation and we didn't know what would happen next.
Ήμασταν όλοι σε μια πάρα πολύ άσχημη κατάσταση εκείνη τη στιγμή και δεν ξέραμε τι θα γίνει.
Kylie is still very angry. What she wants is to leave the country as soon as possible. I'm really annoyed by the fact that I need to stay in the country at least for a couple of years for my rehabilitation. This country, in the end, hurt me a lot, and I don't want it. If people here keep living this way without changing their mentality, I don't want this country. So much time has passed and still no one has apologized. Months after the tragedy in Mati, the remains of charred houses still stand like the burned trees on the ground. But the government still hasn't clarified the terms under which the people in the fire-stricken areas can start rebuilding. After a long period of waiting the last weeks, the authorities finally started the demolition of the houses that are unfit to live. Vasilis Kanelopoulos watched the house of his childhood years being demolished alongside his family. His parents lived there permanently the last 15 years. What the residents want now is to get the authorization to start repairing the houses that can be repaired or build again the houses that were destroyed. Right now we don't see anything. People just wait and try to find a way to get through each day. Some in camps, other guests in friendly houses. A lot of them don't live in very human conditions. We don't feel that the state is close to us in a natural disaster where the state was absent. They also expect justice to be served concerning the criminal responsibilities. Two Egyptian fishermen and one Albanian were awarded with a Greek citizenship as the government claims that they offered special services to the country, and in these cases, according to the law, people like that are awarded with Greek citizenship. There are two Egyptians, as I said, and one Albanian that work here as fishermen. They have been living in Greece for many years, and in a special ceremony yesterday, the President of the Greek Republic, Prokopis Pavlopoulos, awarded them with the Greek citizenship.